law. And as we were going to break, we took a call, but prior to that, we were talking about 10 things you need to know. You hit a couple of them,
right?
And let's go over some of the others here in this segment.
Well, you certainly need to know, how does long-term care get paid for, so that you can be prepared. Long-term care is either going to be paid for through your own private wealth, maybe the equity in your, including even the equity in your home, long-term care insurance, veterans benefits like Chris has talked about, or and maybe Medicaid. It's not going to be paid for through the Medicare benefit. You need to know the difference between Medicare and Medicaid as well. You need to know that you don't have to sell everything. Don't be too quick to sell your home, depending on what your goals are. If you're living at home and that is your paramount important goal, is that I live and be cared for at home, you may get to a point that you need to use your home equity in order to do that. But if you're living in assisted living or in a nursing home, don't be too quick to sell your home.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you have to add there?
Communication. I think that's one of the biggest key aspects, is making sure that your wishes have been communicated. We talk about an estate plan, amongst the other things that it does for you, it provides you peace of mind that when something bad befalls you, you know, my ducks are in a row. I know that things are going to be taken care of. But I also say you don't want to sow the seeds for discontent with your heirs or with the beneficiaries. You want to make sure nothing is a surprise to them, and say that when you put down how you want things to be distributed, how you want your healthcare decisions to be handled, that you express that up front and say you'll honor us by honoring our wishes, and make sure that the children, the heirs, the beneficiaries know that, and they'll be more invested in making sure that mom and dad's wishes are followed through when they understand them.
So much of this is you're doing it as a gift for those that will come after you, in a way, and that is a great thing to do. Right. I mean, it obviously helps you to plan for this, but it also is a gift to your kids, so they're not left wondering, okay, what do I do? And and that's pretty important. Okay, all right, we're going to take a break. We'll come back, wrap everything up right after this.